Hi, Celia. This is Ridwan. How are you?
Hi everyone, I am fine, thanks.
I want to discuss with you our main topic for tomorrow's exposition.
Great. Our main topic was about starting a new business during COVID-19 outbreak is not a good idea.
Yes, first of all, I have to tell you that I do not agree with this statement.
For sure, I don't know agree either.
Um, the reason is because I have a lot of friends that were fired of their jobs. They were looking for a new job, but it has been difficult. So many of them have started a new project or a new business during COVID-19 outbreak.
You are right. The family started a new business. They worked in Gamarra selling clothes for it. However, the reinvented themselves and started a business selling masks with Peruvian design. It was a success.
That is a good news. There are many families that could get a new job, so they have innovate their ideas to start a new business according with the junture.
COVID-19 outbreak has affected many businesses in Peru and all over the world. However, Peruvian people is very innovative.
I couldn't agree more. I am pretty sure that once we will be victorious from this.
There is a lot of people that is against our opinion.
Yes, but we have to keep with our position.
You are absolutely right.
We have proof of new business that are a success.
So we are not ready for tomorrow expo.
Sure, I see you tomorrow. Do not be late.
That's not correct. I will be there.
Okay, bye.